In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your hosting a website. This is a great way to boost user interaction by allowing visitors to contact you directly through WhatsApp, providing an approachable and efficient line of communication. Let's walk through this process step by step so you can easily incorporate this feature into your own site. First, to get started, make sure that you're logged into your Hostinger account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger homepage. Once there, you'll want to click on the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and sign in. With that, you'll be directed to the Hostinger dashboard. Next, from the dashboard, you need to find the website you want to edit. You should see a tab labeled Websites or something similar. From there, click on Edit Website to enter the builder interface where you can make changes to your site. It's important to ensure you have the correct website selected if you manage multiple sites through Hostinger. Once you're in the website editor, look for the Settings menu, which you can find by selecting More Settings. In this section, you're provided with various options to customize and optimize your site. Here, we're going to focus on the Integrations option. Go ahead and click on Integrations. This area is designed to enable you to connect various external tools and services that enhance your website's capability and user experience. After accessing integrations, navigate to the custom code section. Adding custom code gives you the flexibility to include additional features or functionalities that might not be available directly through the standard options within the website editor. Carefully locate the section of your website where you want the WhatsApp button to appear. Now it's time to paste your WhatsApp button code into the custom code area. It's important to note that you should have your code prepared ahead of time. This code typically includes a snippet of HTML with a bit of JavaScript. Make sure to double check the code for any errors before implementing it to avoid any negative effects on your website's performance. Once you've pasted your code, it's crucial to click on the Save button to ensure all changes are stored and ready to be published. Saving is a good practice periodically as it prevents loss of changes in case of any interruptions. Finally, it's time to click on Update Website to make these changes live for all your visitors. This final step confirms that the WhatsApp button is active and functioning for anyone visiting your site. And there you have it, you've successfully added a WhatsApp button to your hosting a website, making it easier for your visitors to connect with you directly. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.